Okay, so a few more enhancements here. Let's do something here. Let's edit and edit the scene settings. And where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Right here. Oh wow, how did that go away? That was interesting. I don't know. Oh, I guess I could drag the mouse. I don't know. So I set the chalk ink at 20. Let's save that. Let's load up the player right here, and we'll get into it. And well, even when I'm recording, anyway, there's two chalks. Let's pick up one of those. Let's go over here. Let's go in here. There we go. Now I'm just going to start scribbling, and we notice the chalk is getting smaller and the scribbling is getting lighter. Okay, and eventually it just goes away, and that's it. So in the game, it would behoove the player, if the player has enough money, to buy more chalk, right? So same thing over here, right? Yep. So see, so I can buy as many chalks as I can afford, and they do not last forever.